Hello, my name is Ilana Kosenko. I'm a polymer clay artist from Latvia, Europe, and today I will film a small video of how to use such small, tiny metal cutters. So originally these cutters are round. These are used in electrical works, but for the polymer clay artists they are great because they do not have any seams in it, and you can use a wide range of different sizes. We have these cutters in our store on Etsy, and also we are making from the round ones different other shapes. For example, this is a leaf, and this is a small star, and also the tiniest of them, such sets. We have different sets, and often our clients ask us how to use them. So today I will show you some tips and tricks of how I using these cutters. I have prepared several sheets of polymer clay. I have rolled it on the thickest pasta machine setting, and also I have rolled one small sheet such. So I will show you how I'm working with them. At start, I will tell you that the most important thing is the surface on which you are working. If you are working on a glanced glass tile or ceramic tile, how I am working on, your clay will stick to it. Yes, and this we can use while working with these small cutters. Also, you can use such acrylic or glass tiles because here clay will also stick. This is important. So, how I usually make this? If we want to receive a small circles, for example, and we don't want them to stay in our cutter, we can use this glanced ceramic tail and close the other side of cutter with your finger, so there will be vacuum in it, and when you will make the circle it will stay on your ceramic or glass circle tile. Yes. Oh, this wasn't the best one, but you can see that it came quite good out of this cutter. I will make this with smaller ones, such a way. Yes, you can see that the circles are staying on our surface. This one didn't work such a way, it is inside. Then you can use a toothpick or a needle to take it out. This isn't the best way because then your piece will have such a surface. If you want to avoid this, you can use food film, such one. Yes, I have this one, but you can use any you can find in the store. Usually it is in the food stores. Yes, it can be used for food film. So you can place food film on your polymer clay and use your cutter in such way you will receive a rounded circle, and it will be not in your cutter but on your working surface. Working in such way, you can use also as a paper as the basis of your workspace, because to the paper the clay do not stick, but it's possible to work so. The tiniest ones, such ones, yes, they aren't for receiving form out of clay. They are for making holes. For example, if you are making any jewelry, so with such small cutter you can make very convenient small holes for findings, because in such small cutters they will stick every time. You don't need to take this out every time, just make holes when you need, and it's all. You will have such a small beautiful things. Or use the foot film, then you will receive the tiny circle, but it's better to use on such a small piece. Oh, you can see I have taken the film from the clay, and some our circles are still there. Nice small tiny circle. And now I have made some tiny circles, not so thick clay, and here it is, such result. I have also circles on my working space, and I have tiny holes in my clay. I can take this one out. Here I have used the foot film. Holes are quite nice. So when you are using the bigger ones, you can make also the shapes, and you can make also the holes. And the tiniest ones I used only for holes. I think this is the best way how to use them. I usually am making some holes in jewelry for findings. It's very convenient. And the other shapes like this also can be used to make a shape. And for example, I can make earrings out of this one, and I can also in one moment prepare a hole for findings in it. Here it is. And how I can take this all of the working space. Here it is. You can see how good the shapes work with clay. I'm using Fima Professional clay right now, but it will work with any clay. And also I can take the ones I have made with foot film. These are very smooth around the edges. It's very good. So, and these are our future earrings. So how these are cut. I think it's quite beautiful. And now I will make the same shapes but using the food film. The same. The holes for findings I will make without food film. So the same shape without food film and with food film. Both are quite good and can be used in your creative works. So these are the small tips and trips on how you can use these tiny cutters. Also the tiniest ones. I will take the smaller piece of clay, for example this one. This is brown, and I will try to make a chocolate cookie with heart shape. I will use here food film. Now you can see it stays on food film on this or on the working surface. This is a tiny, tiny, tiny heart. You can use it in food miniature as cookies or like chocolates and something common, but it's quite nice. Also, I have baked a small piece. There was made the shapes, but afterwards the clay was baked. So now after baking it's possible to take these small pieces out, so you can use it such way also. Here it is. So I hope this video will help you to work with our small and tiny cutters. You can look what shapes we have. So these shapes we bend ourselves, so sometimes they're not cutting the thicker polymer clay the way you need, but you can fix it such a way. Here it is. So thank you for watching this video. I will be glad to receive your like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.